Hope everybody's doing well. Mike, I just got your text message communicated with you on Facebook Messenger. I checked the FT5. The message isn't there, so when I get done walking little furball Leo there, we'll go over to the Jeep and check it on the Jeep. So yeah, I think the Yaesu FT5 shows up as AA1PR-Y. My Anytone 878 is -7. I think my cell phone's like -10, my tablet's -5, and the Jeep is -9. So I don't know. Too many numbers, too many letters to remember, but hey, we'll catch you in a little while. 7-3, my friend. FTM 300, my friend Mike, N7QXH, said he sent me a message to me earlier this morning, which was about 5:30 my time, 5:15, 5:30. Taking my daughter to work, so it's not there. Let me pause. That's a bulletin. Got another bulletin, Eastern Washington 2-meter traffic net daily. I wish I could make that. We got N7EL73 from Washington State. Nothing from Mike yet. Well, Mike, there's a end server. KC, I can't read it through the camera. Nothing from N7QXH. Sorry, Mike. Well, here on the screenshot, you can see things that are close stations next to me, which is irrelevant. We scroll down to the bottom, station heard directly by WW1VT, heard my 9, AA1PR-9. That's what my friend Mike said he heard several hours ago, sent me a message to, but yeah, no messages whatsoever. So, you know, he sent a message from Oregon City, Oregon, out to Rutland, Vermont, so maybe it got linked, dropped. Maybe my mobile station wasn't connected to my digipeater, so it didn't see me. So the message said, okay, this person is not on the APRS system. Let's just drop the message, null and void. So you never know what happens with these crazy things.